So thank you for coming across and joining us. And just was curious as to what your message would be about Swachh India.
Well, firstly, I think it's entirely our pleasure. Today we're here for a very, very good cause, I feel. And as two young citizens of this country who fortunately have a voice that some people like to hear. And if we can get the message across about how cleanliness plays such an important role in our lives today and must play such an important role in our lives today, that's what we're here to do. Help out in our small little way.
I think it's amazing. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
I think it's amazing that we are getting this opportunity to do something good with what we have as, like she said, young citizens and people who can create awareness. Like I've been thinking while I was backstage watching, it's taken our Prime Minister to reawaken our country. It's something that should be implemented at a basic level while we are children. And it's something that's happening now again, which I think we must salute him and the government for taking this up. And we must carry this forward. The question that was asked, what happens after these 12 hours? I think the onus is upon us as citizens of this country to do it every single day. There is a thought that we should only look after our own house, our own people. It's not that. There is more to it. We always look at the government for answers and we point fingers. We need to self-introspect as citizens and do more for our country. I mean, the onus lies upon us as individuals as well, as citizens.
Yeah, Arjun and Sonakshi, you know, you are prominent faces publicly. And as you said, and as Sonakshi was saying, that whenever there's a voice from a prominent person, people tend to believe it, tend to listen to it. Other than just talking about it, you know, we're all here to see how practically something can be done.
Correct.
What comes in your mind when you feel that something practical can be done towards this movement?
Well, I think it's a really easy thing to keep your surroundings clean. I think there couldn't be anything as simple as that. I mean, right from the beginning, if our parents teach us to, you know, not throw things on the road, not litter the streets, not, in fact, even not only in the small rural areas, it's even in our cities today that when we're going by, you know, wherever and we see dirt lying on the road, and if there are even the shauchalayas that are made, it's made for a good cause, it's made for the public, but there's dumpsters right outside, there's so much dirt right outside. I think it's the most basic thing to remain clean, which is something that needs to be implemented right from childhood. And people need to carry that on forward. So I guess, yeah, it's more than talking about it, it's about doing it. And we hope, wish and pray that after this initiative that's been taken by us here present today, I guess people should follow that as well.
I mean, it's, for example, we always have this habit, हम plastic bag में चीजें डाल के फेंक देते हैं रास्ते पे. It's a very strange thing, but in our country, you'll find it very often. It's something that we have to stop. I notice from cars, people just dump out, you know, food packets, stuff like that. And we don't think about it. That's how diseases like dengue spread. Yeah. It gets created by those small things that you think, humko kuch nahi hoga. It automatically affects us. Even we get affected by the same mosquitoes.
I think, Amit, you were telling us a story about how you once saw somebody doing it and he actually got out, he went and stopped the person.
Yeah.
I wish we had had a camera filming that. It would have made sure.
So many number of times. I mean,
have you done that?
I have done that. I've literally gone and shouted at a person. I said, would you
Can we
throw
send a
that in your
camera
house?
behind you, because that will send an important signal.
There was no cameras, unfortunately.
Well, maybe we were just thinking that when Amitji did it also, when you do it, or if you ever do it, we should actually try and film that and,
You know,
and send
from
a
a
signal.
practical point of view, I thought that at least the region where we work in, studios, outdoor we go, and many a times we find that our unit people, they just, you know, throw bottles, empty bottles, चाय की प्याली फेंक दी, इधर कुछ कर दिया, वहाँ फेंक दिया. मैं कहता हूँ हर एक यूनिट कम से कम 4-5 बड़े डस्टबिन होने चाहिए सेट के ऊपर, और जब आउटडोर शूटिंग कर रहे हो वहाँ पर भी होने चाहिए, ताकि जो यूनिट वाले हैं जो काम हो सकता है काम के दौरान कभी-कभी इधर-उधर दौड़ना पड़ता है, चाय पी रहे हैं, सडनली किसी ने बुला लिया तो चाय छोड़ के वहीं चले जाते हैं, फिर वो भूल जाते हैं कि वो वहाँ पर रखा हुआ है, उसे गंदा किया हुआ है, तो उसको उठा करके साफ़ करना. और मैंने तो ऐसा एक नियम बना दिया है अपने यूनिट में, जब भी मैं काम करता हूँ आउटडोर में, कि जैसे ही पैकअप होगा पूरा प्रोडक्शन टीम, बल्कि पूरा क्रू, बल्कि आर्टिस्ट भी सब मिल करके उस पूरी जगह को स्वच्छ करें, साफ़ करें, डस्टबिन में डालें, ताकि वो जिस तरह से हमें पाई गई थी, हमें मिली थी, उससे बेहतर हम उसे छोड़ सकें.
Arjun, Sonakshi?
मैं हाल ही में आगरा में शूट कर रहा था. वन ऑफ द वंडर्स ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड, ताजमहल जो है, उसके आसपास शूटिंग करा था. And that is a place that really needs Swachh Bharat, this movement that has happened. That area really needs it because we have people across the world coming to see the Taj Mahal. पर जो बाकी आसपास की जगह हैं, अगर वहाँ पे हम ये मूवमेंट बहुत अच्छी तरह शुरू कर पाएंगे, जैसे बीकानेर की आज जो बात हुई, जो मैं देख रहा था, उसके आसपास इतना पोटेंशियल है टू मेक सच ब्यूटीफुल फैसिलिटीज एंड अमेनिटीज टू फॉर आवर कंट्री टू इवन ग्रो एज अ टूरिस्ट नेशन इन दैट एरिया. आई थिंक दैट इज वन एरिया. जब मैं गया था, मैं सोच रहा था द पोटेंशियल इज अनलिमिटेड, पर किसी ने शुरुआत नहीं की है. आई होप विद दिस मूवमेंट people look at it, the government looks at that area also as something that they can implement.
So nearly 2.5 years ago, we went there as part of one of our greenathons. That we took Priyanka Chopra there, and we were trying to clean the Yamuna behind the Taj.
Exactly, yeah.
You know, it's black sludge that thick,
Yeah.
and it stinks, and it's just, you know, it's like you can't believe it's a river flowing just behind the Taj, and it can be cleaned up. But
I was actually shooting in Mathura a few months back, and you know they have हमारे कृष्ण भगवान की जन्मभूमि है वहाँ पर, and I was shocked कि इतनी गंदगी मुझे हर कोने में दिखाई दे रही थी. लोग वहाँ पे तीर्थ यात्रा पे जाते हैं, अपना pilgrimage पे जाते हैं. They are rolling on the roads to get to from one mandir to the other, but nobody is bothering to clean up the place. And इस पर मैंने एक tweet की थी कि cleanliness is next to godliness, and I was shocked to see the state of Mathura when I was shooting over there. And उस बात पर मुझे वहाँ के लोगों से ये वापस कुछ रिप्लाईज आए कि how can you talk about your own country like that? I will speak about my own country like that because I have a right to. I'm a citizen of this country. And मुझे अगर कुछ गलत दिख रहा है तो मैं ज़रूर उस बात पे आवाज़ उठाऊंगी. So I was really shocked at the state of such a holy place that it could be kept so dirty.
Amit ji?
No, worse that somebody could comment on it कि आप ये क्यों कर रही हैं.
आप ये बात को और पब्लिसाइज क्यों कर रही है?
जी, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग ऐसा करते हैं, तो मेरा उनके सामने एक सीधा सा सवाल होता है कि आपने तो हमको बता दिया हमें क्या करना. भाई साहब, आप क्या कर रहे हैं ये कभी बोलिए. वो तो कभी नहीं करते. वो सबको ज्ञान देते रहते हैं, उनके खुद के लिए क्या ज्ञान है वो कभी प्राप्त नहीं करते.
Amit ji, and in general our places of worship जो हमको सबसे ज़्यादा साफ रखना चाहिए.
जी.
एक तरह से कोई कहीं भी आप जाएंगे, मंदिरों में जाएंगे, तो बाहर जो इलाका है इतना गंदा होता है.
बिल्कुल. कहीं ना कहीं ये एक सदियों से चला आ रहा है कि वो जो पूजा का सामान होता है उसको वहीं रख दें तो उससे कुछ पुण्य काम हो रहा हो. कहीं ना कहीं उस सोच को बदलना पड़ेगा. लेकिन देखिए, ये हर स्थान पर नहीं होता है. अगर आप गुरुद्वारे में जाएं, देश के किसी भी गुरुद्वारे में आप चले जाएं, बहुत ही साफ़ सुथरा रहता है, और ये एक उनका अपना एक प्रयत्न रहता है कि उसे साफ़ सुथरा रखें. तो इसी तरह हमें कहीं ना कहीं इस सोच को बाकी लोगों में जहाँ मंदिर हैं उनको भी कहना पड़ेगा कि देखिए ये एक स्वच्छ जगह है, यहाँ तीर्थ स्थान है, जैसा कि सोनाक्षी कह रही थी, इसको स्वच्छ कैसे रखा जाए.
Right. So, well, Sanjeev Bijli now joining us on the line, has often come in the past also and supported us on the Greenathon and other campaigns. Sanjeev, over to you.
Hi Vikram, how are you?
Hi, Sanjeev.
Yeah, congratulations once again for highlighting such an important issue. I haven't been able to watch the program so far, but I'm sure it's going very well so far.
Sanjeev, you of course are the joint managing director of the PVR, and as you know, we were just discussing, so many people come and see movies on a daily basis. Maybe there's something which you can also do to just start putting the message out as to, you know, keep the area clean. I mean, I know that in the middle of a movie you see keep the theatre clean, but also going forward, keep the area just outside the theatre.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we're making all the efforts to communicate that to the customers and tell them to keep the area clean, keep the cinemas clean. I mean, it all starts in your own home and your own work environment. So every little that we do obviously will go a long way.
Okay.
Yeah, Bijli, this is Amitabh here. Many a times, you know, the popcorn packets or the drinks that they take into the theatre are just left behind after the show is over. And maybe if you could, you know, perhaps inculcate some kind of a procedure where you impress upon the client or the person who's bought the ticket to carry the stuff that they've brought in, to take it out as well and throw it into the dustbin which is just near the door. I've seen this happen in many multiplexes overseas. I think that's a very healthy culture which we can incorporate here in India as well.
Yeah, Mr. Bachchan, you're right. Actually, we are planning on keeping bins at the exits and also, divide them between the biodegradable ones and the other ones. And we do try to have a slide before every movie and during interval as well, that people should just dispose of all the popcorn bags and Pepsi glasses before they leave. And of course, we're also making an attempt to clean all the surrounding areas of our cinemas. We have a lot of cinemas which are in malls, but a lot of standalone cinemas also in Delhi and Bombay. So, PVR Nest, which is a CSR arm of our company, is going to go around and put the, have these areas cleaned up as well.
Right, Sanjeev. Well, any final thoughts, Sanjeev, before you leave us?
No, thank you very much, and we'd like to pledge 50 toilets towards this great cause from PVR.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, Sanjeev. Thanks for that. That will be really, really useful in deploying in a large number of the toilets to build. So thank you so much, Sanjeev. Sanjeev Bichi, they're making a very good donation. It's probably merits repetition for everyone else who's watching. Sanjeev, thanks a lot for having joined us.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so
That
much.
we are asking people to donate for the building of toilets, and a lot of people have already done that.
Yeah.
And every little bit counts.
जो लोग भी इस कार्यक्रम को देख रहे हैं उनसे बस यही आग्रह करूंगा कि आप लोग बहुत ही दिल से दान पुण्य दें ताकि हम अपने देश को और उज्जवल बना सकें। आज का ये जो कार्यक्रम है इसमें हम चंदा भी इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं इस टेलीथॉन के द्वारा। जितना भी चंदा हमें मिलेगा वो हम टॉयलेट बनाने में उसका उपयोग करेंगे। प्रत्येक टॉयलेट जो है उसे बनाने में केवल 30,000 रुपये लगते हैं और मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि भारत की जो जनता है उसमें बहुत बड़ी दिली है और एक ऐसी भावना उत्पन्न हो जाए जहाँ पर हम देखें कि लाखों करोड़ों टॉयलेट बन जाएं हमारे देश में ताकि ये स्वच्छता का जो दिवस है ये पूर्ण हो जाए।
तो उसमें एक्चुअली 30,000 में टॉयलेट बन भी जाएगा, उसकी मेंटेनेंस भी हो जाएगी।
एवरीथिंग, ये केवल उससे बनता ही नहीं है 30,000, उसके बाद उसका मेंटेनेंस, उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, उसका आगे की चीज़ें, ये सब 30,000 रुपये में आ जाते हैं। तो जितने लोग जो आ रहे हैं और उन्होंने दान पुण्य किया है उनको हम सब बधाई देते हैं और आगे भी हम ये आशा करते हैं कि जितने भी लोग कार्यक्रम को देख रहे हैं वो दिल खोल करके धनराशि देंगे, दान देंगे ताकि हम और बहुत सारे टॉयलेट्स बना सकें।
I think it's a good time for us to also add to what Mr. Bijli was saying. We also would like to make our pledge to adding to your movement. I would like to take on 10 bathrooms for the betterment of our country, and if I can save one life.
So would I.
And so
Both of us.
We have
Both of us.
Thank you
costs of
both
10
so much.
from
10
Arjun
each,
and
okay.
10 from Sonakshi.
Thank you so much.
That'll go a long way. Every
That's
drop
really
counts.
great.
It's the least we could do.
No, it's a small drop, but it's a very valuable.
If we can save one life by having it's one life that's
No,
a
a
big
child
deal.
dies every minute because of diarrhea.
Exactly.
Every minute. And I'm just thinking of, since this morning, since we started the cleanathon, just think of how many children have died. And they needn't have. Just with basic sanitation, those children would be alive. But they die. They die because of diarrhea. They die because they don't have sanitation. They die because people are giving them food without washing hands. Simple things.
What about another very important issue, which is the safety of women? Women have to travel so far away from their homes to reach a toilet.
Yeah.
I think that is also something that is very, very important. And
We've
needs
been
to be
talking
taken
throughout
care
the
of.
day
Yeah.
about that, and this is a very, very important thing where गांव की जितनी महिलाएं हैं उनको बाहर जाना पड़ता है या तो अल्फ सुबह जाएं या बहुत देर रात में जाएं।
और मैंने सुना कि औरतें वहाँ की खाती नहीं हैं क्योंकि उनको ये टेंशन होता है कि हमें टॉयलेट जाना पड़ेगा, पानी दिनों तक नहीं
जी,
पीती हैं ताकि उन्हें टॉयलेट ना जाना पड़े, which poses so many health risks and it's such a sad thing in today's day and age. ऐसी सोच रखना।
Well, we thank you so much for your support. Thank you for the 10 toilets each, and we'll also look for you to keep on adding your voice to this. Maybe some in the films as well. Thank you both so much. Time for a break. We'll be back in just a couple of minutes.
Thank you so much.